Hey, Savvy Savers! Welcome back to Money Nation. Today, we're delving into the realm of financial wisdom, and I'm excited to share my journey on 5 impactful things I stopped buying to supercharge my savings. If you're on a mission to build your bank account, you're in for some practical tips that go beyond the surface. Before we deep dive into these transformative money-saving strategies, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button. We're here to empower your financial journey. Now, let's uncover the things I intentionally cut from my shopping list to make more money. Let's get started. 1. Daily takeout coffee. Our first money-saving move is more than just skipping the daily takeout coffee. It's a lifestyle shift. That seemingly innocent morning latte. It turned out to be a silent budget assassin. Investing in a high-quality coffee maker not only transformed my mornings, but also significantly lightened my monthly expense load. It's a small sacrifice for a big impact on my budget. Embracing the art of brewing coffee at home became a sensory experience. From selecting premium coffee beans to experimenting with brewing techniques, it turned my kitchen into a coffee haven. This small sacrifice for my daily caffeine fix turned into a financial win and a daily source of joy. Cooking up savings with home-brewed coffee wasn't just about the cost of each cup, it was about reclaiming a ritual. The aroma of freshly ground beans and the sound of percolating coffee became moments of mindfulness. What initially seemed like a compromise transformed into a conscious choice, aligning with both my budgetary and lifestyle goals. In this journey, I discovered the world of artisanal coffee blends and unique brewing methods. Exploring this landscape not only diversified my coffee palate, but also introduced me to a community of homebrew enthusiasts. Sharing tips and discoveries became a social aspect of my morning routine, emphasizing the value of cultivating connections within my budget-friendly choices. As I sipped my home-brewed coffee, I reflected on the financial lessons this simple switch taught me. It wasn't just about cutting costs, it was about intentional living. I learned that even seemingly minor adjustments in daily habits could have a substantial impact on my overall financial well-being. Each cup became a reminder of the power of conscious choices in shaping a prosperous future. 2. Impulse online shopping. Scrolling through online stores late at night used to be my guilty pleasure, and it often led to impulsive purchases. Recognizing this pattern, I introduced the 24-hour rule into my life. Giving myself a day to ponder over non-essential purchases became a powerful strategy. This simple rule injected a pause into my spending, redirecting funds toward meaningful goals. The 24-hour rule reshaped my relationship with online shopping. It offered a buffer against the instant gratification trap, allowing me to differentiate between needs and wants. The result? A shopping cart filled with intentional purchases that aligned with my values and long-term financial objectives. Implementing the 24-hour rule wasn't just about delaying purchases. It became a practice of mindful consumption. I started asking myself crucial questions during that waiting period. Is this item a necessity or a fleeting desire? Will it add value to my life beyond the initial excitement of acquisition? This reflective approach significantly reduced impulse buys and created room for more intentional spending. Through the 24-hour rule, I discovered the joy of delayed gratification. Instead of immediate satisfaction, I found fulfillment in thoughtful purchases that contributed positively to my life. The waiting period became an essential step in my decision-making process, fostering financial discipline and reinforcing the principle of quality over quantity. In this journey, I also explored alternative activities during the waiting period. Engaging in hobbies, reading, or going for a walk replaced the time previously spent scrolling through online stores. This shift not only curbed impulsive spending, but also enhanced my overall well-being, emphasizing that fulfillment could be found beyond the realm of material possessions. Reflecting on this transformative strategy, I realized that the 24-hour rule wasn't just a tool for financial management. It was a gateway to a more intentional and deliberate lifestyle. It taught me the art of considered choices, influencing not only my purchasing habits, but also my approach to decision-making in various aspects of life. 3. Brand name clothing. Reevaluating my wardrobe choices became a style evolution. Opting for quality over brand names opened up a world of timeless fashion. Generic doesn't equate to low quality. It's a shift in mindset. This move allowed me to curate a wardrobe that reflects my style without breaking the bank. Exploring thrift stores became a treasure hunt for unique, budget-friendly pieces. The joy of finding hidden gems elevated my style without the hefty price tags. This transition was not just about saving money. It was a conscious move towards sustainable and mindful fashion choices. Choosing generic over brand-name clothing wasn't a compromise on style. It was a declaration of individuality. I realized that fashion was a form of self-expression, and my wardrobe could be a canvas for creativity without the need for designer labels. It became a journey of discovering unique pieces that resonated with my personality, rather than conforming to trending brand aesthetics. In this exploration of affordable fashion, I uncovered the charm of mixing and matching. Pairing vintage finds with modern staples created distinctive looks that stood out. The absence of prominent logos and brand insignias allowed me to focus on the craftsmanship and design of each piece, fostering a deeper appreciation for the artistry behind clothing. As my wardrobe transformed, so did my perception of fashion. I recognized that true style wasn't about following fleeting trends dictated by brand names. It was about embracing individuality and sustainability. This paradigm shift extended beyond clothing choices, influencing my perspective on consumption and the environmental impact of fast fashion. The decision to prioritize generic clothing over brand names became a journey of self-discovery and conscious consumerism. It exemplified the notion that style could be affordable, sustainable, and most importantly, a reflection of one's authenticity. 4. Unused subscriptions. Monthly subscriptions, those sneaky money vampires, had to go. From streaming services to gym memberships, I audited my subscriptions. Canceling the ones that rarely saw the light of day freed up significant funds. This financial spring cleaning breathed fresh air into my budget. The subscription audit was an eye-opener. Unused services have been quietly nibbling away at my budget. Eliminating them not only saved money but also decluttered my digital life. Consolidating certain subscriptions into family plans became an unexpected bonus, offering more value for less. Digging into my subscription expenses unveiled a landscape of overlooked charges. Streaming services, initially acquired for variety, often led to a paradox of choice. With countless options, I found myself sticking to a few favorites, rendering the rest redundant. Gym memberships, once embarked upon with zeal, succumbed to the reality of irregular attendance. The process of canceling subscriptions wasn't merely about trimming excess. It was a reassessment of value. I questioned each service's contribution to my life and whether it justified its monthly fee. It prompted me to seek alternative, cost-effective ways to access similar content or services, encouraging a mindset of resourcefulness. Consolidating subscriptions into family plans not only saved money but fostered a sense of shared resources. It encouraged open conversations with family members about collective priorities, aligning our subscriptions with the interests and needs of the entire household. This collaborative approach transformed subscription management from an individual task to a family decision. The subscription audit also prompted me to explore free or more affordable alternatives. From free trials to ad-supported versions of streaming services, I discovered that quality entertainment and services didn't always necessitate a hefty monthly fee. This shift in perspective not only saved money but broadened my awareness of budget-friendly options available in the digital landscape. Reflecting on this aspect of my financial journey, I recognized that the true value of subscriptions lay in their alignment with my lifestyle and values. It wasn't about accumulating a vast array of services. It was about consciously choosing those that added genuine value to my life. This recalibration not only lightened my financial load, but also reinforced the importance of intentional choices in shaping a meaningful and cost-effective lifestyle. 5. Eating out frequently. Dining out, while delightful, was putting a dent in my wallet. I pivoted to meal prepping and cooking at home. This wasn't just about saving money. It was a culinary journey. Meal planning, buying in bulk, and incorporating seasonal produce became integral to my financial and culinary well-being. Home cooking emerged as a creative outlet. Exploring diverse recipes and cooking techniques not only saved money, but elevated my appreciation for the art of preparing meals. Budget-friendly grocery shopping became a strategic game, maximizing nutrition and minimizing costs. Cooking became a voyage of culinary discovery. Experimenting with flavors, mastering cooking techniques, and curating a repertoire of go-to recipes transformed my kitchen into a gastronomic haven. The joy of preparing meals became a daily ritual, a therapeutic activity that not only contributed to my well-being, but also significantly reduced my food expenses. How about you? Have you made changes to your spending habits to boost your savings? Your tips and stories matter. Share them in the comments below. If you found these strategies helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Check out our other videos for additional tips on mastering your money. There you have it. 5 things I intentionally removed from my shopping list to make more money. Thanks for being part of this journey. Until next time, may your savings grow and your financial goals thrive. Catch you in the next video.